another video. Like and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So, these are my thoughts. These are just my thoughts. Just so you guys know, so there's no angry person in the comments, because I think it's bad or something like that. So this, I really think it's really good. The texture is cool. The only thing bad about it is it doesn't take as much damage as it should. It should take more. Way more. Because this thing, if you were in survival, and you jumped on it, you'd only take half a heart. This block, it's cool. I really like its textures, and I don't know what else to say, but this moss, it's good. Moss carpet, it's good. And it's really good that they added a new type of carpet. Pretty cool. Moss block, I also don't know what to say. Coarse dirt, I like the way it looks. Well, it's not coarse dirt, it's rooted dirt. I like the way it looks. But there is one thing I have thought about it. Why would only that be rooted when every other thing should be rooted too? Doesn't make much sense, does it? Here's the hanging, I forgot what it's called, but I like how it kinda reminds me of grass, but upside down. This, it's the thing I don't like about it. I like how it goes down when you get on it. Minecraft really needed this for parkour, but I don't like. Wait, never mind. I think that's actually a good thing. That's a good thing for parkour. What am I saying? It's good. It's good that that you only get a short time to jump. This, I don't know. It's a pretty cool thing. I like this stuff. But there is just one thing that I don't like about it. It can only go up, and it can't go on the ground. But that's just me. I like this. It's pretty cool. And I like how there's another one called the flowering one. I do like the flowering one better. I like this. I was not expecting it in the new update. We definitely do need a new light sources. The amethyst, I love the amethyst. That's almost my favorite part. Oh yeah, guys, I know what you guys are thinking. I didn't get to show all of the nature ones, but these are all of them that had the ores. These are the crystals, and this is only the nature ones. If we get 2 subscribers, yes, 2 subscribers, then we'll make another one about, make another one about the other stuff. My opinions about the other stuff, but we need 2 subscribers for that. I like the crystals. I gotta scrape it off because the budding amethyst thing, pretty cool. Not expecting it. I was only expecting the amethyst. Amethyst crystals, I like them. What I don't like is that only the big one drops it. This one drops 0, this one drops 0, and this one drops 0. And I don't like it. This one, I like it. It's pretty cool. I was also not expecting it. This, Minecraft really needed this. Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna. We're gonna wrap it up. By saying like and subscribe. Yep, you heard me. Like and subscribe. Now! I'm serious, guys. You should really subscribe. All you guys gotta do, if you don't want to watch this type of stuff, all you gotta do is just comment. Say what you want to watch, and then I'll do it. Okay? And it cannot be a live stream, because I have not hit that amount of subscribers yet, so don't ask. So, guys, like and subscribe, and good